Hey! Hey, I see you.
Hello?
Yeah, right here. I see you. Do you see me? Look. What do you do with the package?
I just came to deliver this package. I'm from Amazon. That's all.
No. I got a notification that you were near my door, okay? And you put 3 packages down. You took 3 photos, and then you took photos of that. But you moved the packages away. Why did you move the packages away?
They were not your packages, sir. I had the wrong address on those.
So you just realized it that fast? You realized it that fast? They were the wrong packages?
Yeah, this one is your package, though. This doesn't have.
Oh, no. Last time I was missing 2 packages. Listen to me. Last time I was missing 2 packages, okay? And I got 2 photos, all right? Listen to me. I have a recording of you, okay? When you take a photo, it sends it to the Amazon account, and now it's on my account. So if I complain to corporate, you're done.
Sir, please just don't.
No. If I complain to corporate, you're done. Here's the thing.
Don't tell corporate, please.
No. Take that package right there. Set it down. Okay. Now go get the other. No. Listen to me. Go get them. Get the other ones. How dare you? Caught you red-handed. How dare you? Get the other ones. Can't believe this. Did you see that? You saw that? You saw what she did? You saw that? Look, on my phone right there. I can see it on my phone. Are you kidding me?
Your packages they're all right here.
Set them down nicely. Listen. Hey, look at me. Listen, you're done. I'm going to send it. You're done. You're fired. You're losing your job. You should have worked for Amazon. You are done. Go. Done.